Hello and welcome to Video Revealed. I'm Colin Smith. We got something amazing for you this time. This is AI scene edit detection in Adobe Premiere Pro. All right, so what is a scene edit detection and how is AI involved? If you've ever taken a video that you don't have the original clip, so it's already been edited. Let me just show you an example here. In this example, there's a bunch of clips. They're all different clips or different scenes, but it's only one video. So I want to have these cut into multiple clips and start editing it again. Maybe I need to reframe parts of it or I need to color different parts of it. Anyway, you're stuck with an edit that you need to cut up. And if it's short, then it's easy. But what if it's much, much longer? So there are different methods of doing this. Other technology uses a histogram, which doesn't always work. A histogram is a way of measuring luminosity or the amount of light in a scene. And you could have a scene with me here and a scene with me here, and there isn't much difference in the overall luminosity. So something using a histogram will miss that. Adobe decided to use machine learning and artificial intelligence. Yes, I know some people think that artificial intelligence is a sentient being, but it isn't. This is machine learning. So what Adobe did is they fed scene changes into a computer thousands and thousands and thousands of times till the computer understood that what the difference is between a scene. So let's run it on this Africa shot and see how it works. So I'm going to create a new sequence. I've got nothing over here. Create a new sequence, right click and choose Scene Edit Detection. And you have several choices here. So first of all, the one by default is apply a cut at each detected cut point. So there isn't a cut, but it will detect where it is and cut it. The other thing you can do is you can create a bin of subclips for each detected cut point. I have a whole tutorial on what subclips are, but basically it's an instance of the master clip that you can work with. It's as if you now had a whole bunch of clips, which is very good. And you could also create a clip marker. So you could turn these off and just add markers to it. So this won't cut it. It will just mark those places that you can easily jump to. I'm going to turn the markers off and turn both of these on and click Analyze. And you can see it's going to go to work. Let me drag this down here. It's going to go to work now on that one clip and cut it up. This is pretty darn fast. My CPU is working hard and boom, just like that. There's my cuts. I'm going to hit the down arrow to jump between the cuts. So, let me go back over to my timeline. Down arrow. I'm going to move back one because I want to show you how accurate it is. So I jump to the next edit point, but I'll go back one frame so you'll see that in fact the previous cut is a different scene. There's a different scene. That's the one before it. Different scene. One before it. Different scene. So you can see it's doing a pretty good job on each one of those. And in my project bin, if I open this up, let me just make that larger and look at that. You can see it's created subclips for each one of those scenes for me. Wow. Let me show you a harder job that was already done. I didn't want to just take time watching this one done. So I've done another version here, and this was done with my show. So this was my show on picking music, and you can see there's a lot of stuff in here and a lot of edits. So I ran Scene Edit Detection, and look at that. Look at how many cuts it detected. And remember I told you the difference between a histogram. Look at that. That and that was detected as different scenes. It is. Although it's a push-in, it's a different scene. If I wanted to, I could take that cut out and just put that back together. I could remove that through edit. But I want to be able to see that. So each time it's found each one of these movements, whether it's recording the screen or recording me, each one of these edits has been found. And for me to have to go through that and cut that up manually, that would have taken a good part of a morning to find that. And I probably would have been driven nuts by the end of it. So that's it. This is really simple, but really, really powerful. And Adobe does it right, using machine learning and AI to get this right, because a scene isn't just a difference between a histogram. It's a real change between scenes. So thank you, Adobe, for using and they call it their Adobe Sensei technology, their machine learning to make this available. So the next time you get stuck with a giant video that you want to chop up in pieces, you now know that you can use the scene edit detection. The other thing that I wanted to mention is, if let's say that I only wanted to do part of this, so you can cut part of the video and just run scene edit detection on that. So maybe you don't need the whole thing, just part of it, whatever reason. But there's lots of different scenarios for that to work for you. Hey, if you're new to Video Revealed and you found this informative, please take a moment and subscribe. We're getting pretty darn close to 100,000. Woohoo! Thanks so much to everyone who watches, supports us, and subscribes. If you want to support us some more, you can do that through the Video Revealed store at videorevealed.com/shop. You can donate one time or monthly, any amount you want. You can also buy these split screens, and there's a bunch of free stuff there. All right, hey, I'm Colin Smith, and it's my job to keep you abreast of all the crazy new AI machine learning stuff that Adobe is sending our way.